Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn what to do when Tutanota login does not work. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your web browser and in the search bar type tutanota.com and press enter. Now click on login button, which is at top right corner of the website. Now even after entering your email and password, it says login not working. On the top rightmost corner of the website there is 3-line button, click on that. Now click on new private window. And it will take you to the new window. Again type tutanota.com in the search bar and hit enter. Click on login. Enter your email and password and click on login button. It will start logging in. Now you are officially inside your email. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.